Hey there. Wait, let me just close off the window. Today we're doing something completely different and a little bit crazy.
Yeah.
My daughter and I will be face lathering. I found this video on YouTube by Ruts Shave. This guy really instructionalized everything very slowly, and it's very nice to listen to. So I thought that
ASMR.
since she wants to join us, let her do it also. Wet your face first. Then what you do is you just rub it on your face like this.
Okay. Wait, I need to rub my face.
It's gonna be really dry the first time.
Okay, I'm scared.
It's gonna be a bit rough, but it's nice. It's exfoliating. Exfoliating means to remove your dead skin.
Okay, I like remove.
Okay, the towel is here. My towel is here. So at a certain point, I'm gonna start shaving and she's gonna start washing it off.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, wait.
So as you can see, the first time is very... How's it?
It's okay.
You're gonna rub a bit more.
Ah! Oh, what?
So then after that, if you see it's like not enough, then you put a bit of water. The consistency to get is like you know
Like Santa
you know
Claus.
the pie that people throw at each other's face?
Yeah.
Oh, got peaks. Put a bit of water. Put a
Okay.
bit of water.
Ow! Oh my god, I look like Santa Claus.
Okay, so this is how Ruts Shave taught us how to do it on the video. Essentially, it's like you put on a bit, just rub it on. It's gonna feel really dry. Then slowly, gradually add some water. So I think I'll put a link to the video in this final video that comes out. Essentially, he tries it with a synthetic knot, with a badger, and the badger seems to be keeping water a bit more.
Oh my god, Daddy.
You gotta put a little bit more water.
Okay.
See, you don't want this because you look at this one.
Daddy, you look Santa Claus. I'm gonna put like a gallon of water. Okay.
Don't put too much. You're not supposed to put that much. You just put drip a little bit. Put a bit more shaving cream. Then you can do like rub it a bit. See that?
Like that?
Yeah. This is what you call face lathering. Look at it. Camera. How do you think she's doing, guys?
I'm a new.
Although she won't be shaving after this. How's it smell?
Good.
This is the maca root scent.
What's a macaron?
Maca root. Maca root is root of plant, I think. Whoa! That tends to happen.
Oh my god. I did it.
Okay, I think I pretty much just add a little bit more water. Almost there. The rule about lathering is you cannot still see skin. It's gotta be all white, so that the razor can glide over your face. Maybe I'll send this video link back to Ruts and see what he thinks of my lathering technique. Face lathering, I think it's doing quite well.
Okay. Whoa.
Ready to shave?
Yeah. Even though I have no skin, I only have skin. I don't have.
What do you mean you don't have skin?
Oh my god!
So today as a matter of choice, I'm just going to use the slant razor because it's the most available one I have currently. The slant razor coming from Icon.
Wow.
Yeah, actually the reason why we're doing this video is because there's some relative coming to the house. So I decided to escape all of them and just like give an excuse that I want to go for a shave.
Yeah, we had nothing else to do.
Dhea had nothing to say, so she said that she was going to go and do a video with me. Okay, here we go.
Can I wash?
Yeah, you can wash.
Yay!
How was it?
It was fun.
How you do now is you rub your face, see whether a lot of it comes off your hand.
Yeah, it does.
Is it smooth?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna continue doing that. Look guys, I am a maniac.
Go on top of the chair, you can't see your face.
I know, I'm short. I became short somehow. Wait.
You know what's exfoliating?
No.
Is to remove the dead skin from your face.
Okay, I need some water.
Hey, don't get into your eyes.
Okay. Why is it deadly for my eyes?
It's not deadly lah, but your eyes not gonna like it lah.
Can my eyes die?
I think you will die first before your eye dies. You start crying first.
Okay. I am done with the first.
Guys, she's done with the first pass.
Look at me. Okay, I'm gonna put it back.
Okay, so that went pretty well. Now for the second part.
Can I just put it on the toilet?
Come, have a good.
Okay. Ooh.
Second pass is usually easier because your face is already slightly wet.
Yeah, it's already wet. I'm just messing my face.
Just don't be afraid to let the things spray like that. Yes. Is it? You move it. Quickly like that.
I'm scared it will get my hair, and then I'll be.
Why don't you guys help us vote which one of us is the better latherer?
Of course you, because you've been like shaving for like 5,000 years.
Hey, you are the one who have been doing squishies all this time, right? So you got a leg up on me, right?
Oh yeah.
It's very much like not squishies, slime. You should make it slimy so that the razor glides on your face.
No slime anymore.
I told you cannot buy slime anymore. I didn't say you can't make slime anymore. What's the point of buying slime when you can make slime, right?
Yeah, what's the point of buying fountain pens?
I can't make them, huh?
Yes, you can.
I can't make fountain pens. I haven't made any fountain pens before.
Yeah, but you told me you could. If you want to.
Do we have the time?
I could make squishies, but they're ugly. The other squishies are pretty, like me.
Now, okay, that was a great second part.
What, you're done? You're not done yet.
Yeah, because it was very smooth. So, she's washing her face. I go for the final pass. Hope you guys enjoy this round of the videos. We thought we'd just shake things out, make things slightly different this time. Alright, third and final pass.
Okay, I'm gonna.
It's gonna be school holidays for us soon. One more week, eh?
Yeah, 1 more week. And it's done, finally. No more school. Then.
So once school holiday hits, she will be much more active. Actually, I'm supposed to keep a beard during November, but why am I shaving now?
I don't know.
Yeah.
It's your choice.
She did remind me to keep a beard. Let's keep a shaving beard. Santa beard.
Okay. Okay. I don't want to.
You don't want to lather anymore?
No.
Okay, so that was our final round. Let me clean up and.
Oh my god, my face feels so sticky.
Okay, if you appreciate my daughter being here, kindly do vote and let us know which one of us is the better latherer. And that was a good shave for me using the icon. I think face lathering. Thanks Raj Shave for actually putting out that video. I think a lot of beginners will really appreciate that video. I know I did. It really teaches you how to face lather in a very simple yet practical way. So while the camera is still on, bye bye. Happy shaving.